Hello, good people. Welcome once more to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to combine data, how to combine data in an Excel cell. So how do we combine data in an Excel cell? So let's say we have two, we have a text and numbers. How can we be able to combine that in one cell? Or how can we be in a position to combine two text records within different cells? So that is what we are going to achieve today with this tutorial. So you're most welcome, and let us start. Said earlier that today we are going to combine a data from multiple cells into one cell. So let us start. So as you can be able to see from the data we have here in our Excel, it's something that I know so many people are struggling with. How could I be in a position to combine this data from this cell and this cell together? So that is our aim today that we want to achieve. So we are going to insert our formulas or functions. So we start with an equal sign, sorry. So we are going to combine this cell and this cell, and this cell. So if you do that, you will find an error. So meaning our formula or our formula is not the right function to be able to concatenate or be able to combine the two cells. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have the and sign, then we enter. If you do that, then you see the two the two data in different cells are already combined. So, but this already we can be able to achieve by clicking to the rest of the remaining cell by double clicking that. Then the formula will be automatically applied to the rest of the cells. So what we want also to achieve is to ensure it's not that we need to, because the data looks they look so much stuck together. So we want to kind of separate them and have a space between the word and the number just within the same cell. So what we do is add to the parenthesis and add and sign, as you can be able to see. But however much if you enter that formula, still still the data is stuck together. So we are not going to achieve that, but as we want it to be able to look better and nice and well presented. So we are going to create space between the two. So for us to be able to achieve that is by creating or clicking on the backspace key, and we enter. If we do that, then it's created. Then we apply to the rest of the cells. So you can be able to see they are well spaced. They are well spaced in within the same cell. But there is something that you can be able to add. Let's say manure was sold at 25 or uh, at $25,000 or 25,000 Kenya shillings. So we want to see that data well presented as well in that cell. We can be able to add separator to our number. So that is what we want to achieve now, to add a separator to our number so that it seems like a figure. It seems like maybe that's a presentation of maybe a figure somehow. So to do that, we are going to say, or we are going to add a text, double. So within the first parenthesis or double quotes, we can add a dollar sign, or whichever the type of currency, depending with the region or location or country, you can be able to add that. So let's use dollar sign. So then we enter. If you use the dollar sign, you can be able to see that the word manure will remain, but we will lose the figure. So how do we retain our figure back? How can we be able to retain our figure back? For us to be able to retain our figure back, we right click on the same cell and go to format and customize our figure. So if you go to type, under type, we have different formats of of a number or that present a digit. So in this case, in Excel, this option will present in our function or formula. If we copy that and paste it in between the second parenthesis, it will present our numeric cell, and you can be able to see it has been highlighted red here, meaning that function or that function will fetch the data, the numeric data. So the asterisk and 0 presents the figures. So you enter that. So if you do that, you can be able to see our data has been pulled and it has been combined now well. So you can be able to double click on that and the formula will be automatically, if you double click, it will automatically be applied to the rest of the cells. So you now see it looks very nice and very smart. Thank you so much. That marks the end of our lesson today. Keep on subscribing. Give us a comment to this video. Please try it at home. Practice whatever we've done here to see if it is working for you. And please give us a thumbs up, and we really need your comments on this video so that through your comments we can be able to do much more. Thank you so much.